Hi guys, Retro Django here. It's finally here. The Guns N' Roses limited edition pinball machine. And while we're making this quick, short unboxing video, we are going to listen to one of my favorite Guns N' Roses songs, Sweet Child of Mine, performed by my girl Sophie Lloyd. She is just the bomb. She can play, okay? Go in, check out her YouTube page and Facebook page. Sophie is just, oh my goodness. So let's just listen to her performing this song in the background and look at this beautiful, beautiful pinball machine. Look at the artwork of the limited edition. And look at it looks like rat tails. It looks like the whole game is packed, protected by a plexiglass. I love that mirror effect. Let's look at the artwork at the cabinet here. It's amazing. The artwork of the Playfield, I mean, don't get me started. It looks crazy, man. I love everything about it. Finally, we have got this theme from Jersey Jack. They just hit the nail on this one. It's just beautiful. They have got full assets, the videos in the background, the 22 music tracks, everything is just Eric Minier's design. I mean, together with Slash, it's just pure magic. I'm really looking forward to dive into this game, and just want to share this short unboxing video filmed with an iPhone. I mean, guys, it's better than nothing, okay? It's better than nothing. So let's just take a quick peek here, and I just want to share this happiness with you guys and tell you that everything on the Playfield got removed. This game got protected with the Playfield protector because of the few chipping issues we had with this game. So this is protected. I'm gonna show you this in about a month. I will film this pinball machine and make a proper review, and let's see how the Playfield looks after many games. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for watching, thank you for listening to me, thank you for listening to Sophie Lloyd, and I will just stop talking now, and I will let you guys look at this incredible machine and just enjoy this music. I love this part. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.